Welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Kirk.Blair here in Junction City, Oregon. I'm going to show you this 2016 T18 SSMX toy hauler. It's a short little guy. It's great, pulled by multiple vehicles. It's not huge. It's got a front sleeper bed and a front bath. I'm going to show you a couple nice features on the outside. This guy has bigger dual propane tanks, a power tongue jack. It also has nice storage across the front, but it also comes with a generator. Little guys with generators isn't very common. It's got the 4000s Cummins generator. It's got an Insta-Hot water heater, tankless, I should say, it's a tankless water heater. Outdoor shower, ramp door on the back, fuel station here on the corner. Let's check around the outside here. It's got a full ramp door. It is a Shockwave. It's got the ramps, really nice. Be able to put your toys inside there. And you can use a toy hauler for anything, kayaks, your barbecues, your bikes, your coolers. It does have an awning that's darn near the full length of the unit. Let's go ahead and look inside and take a look. As you make your way inside, you can see it's got this big open area. There is a bed up top here, so you do have more sleeping here. A couch that does fold out into a bed and two chairs. Kind of a nice big area. It's pretty long as far as garage. Nice counter space, a kitchen area here, fridge. There are your tables there on that front bed. And it's got some nice charge ports. It does have a little solar panel on the roof already. And then it does have a nice bathroom with a shower enclosure, glass door. Pretty nice unit. But this unit and any other unit here at Guaranty RV, my name is Kirk.Blair, Captain Kirk. I'm happy to help you. My personal cell is 541-601-8742. Looking forward to meeting you and helping you out.